crown jewel, Monstera Albo. It's stunning, but needs specific care.
It's stunning, but needs specific care of Monstera Albo.
Bright, indirect light is essential for the Monstera Albo. Direct sun will scorch the Monstera Albo white leaves. For Monstera Albo, use a chunky, well-draining Aroid mix. 3. For Monstera Albo, high humidity keeps the white parts crisp.
See a new leaf coming? Time to feed. For Monstera
To multiply
Albo,
your magic, propagation requires a clean cut right below the node, ensuring the aerial root is
Monstera
intact.
Albo root cuttings in water or moss to grow your collection.
Love the contrast. Enjoy the journey with Monstera Albo.